What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixin' Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and I'm going to show you guys today how to fill your water softener system with salt. So today, we're going to be looking right here at this water system right here. Look down in there, you guys see we need a little more salt. The things you're going to need for this here project, we're using a bag of Morton salt pellets. I never had a problem with this. Some things y'all got to watch out for. Sometimes the salt builds a little bridge down there, they call it, and your system doesn't use any salt. But we've been using plenty of salt, so all we're going to do is just top this here tank off, this bag of salt. So I'm going to set this down over here so you guys can see how it's done. And that's how you guys do it right there. So you look right down in here, this is what we're looking for. Salt up to the water line. Everything's looking good. You put the cap back on. We got a little hole on this plug here, but we're gonna have to fix that some other day. But basically, you know, instead of paying somebody to come out and do this for you all, you know, save a couple $100 every month, whatever it takes. This is the way to do it. You guys can do it for free. Do it on your own. Well, it ain't free. You just got to buy the bag of salt every couple weeks and dump it in. But that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. There's no telling what we're going to be fixing next week. Thank you.